Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Amit Patil,
Author of.
Oblivion Express.
So, sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's fascinating. I never dreamt that I'll come in here as an author. I was always keen to see my book out there, and I'm glad it's there.
So, a little bit about the book. What do you think, stands out in this book compared to other books in this genre?
I would say I've tried to put my soul in it, and I've experimented a lot, so it doesn't follow traditional patterns at times. And I've experimented with the storytelling and with the details with respect to first person versus second person versus third person.
Right.
So you'll get to have that flavor. So, and second thing is the stories are extremely short. Given our attention spans are going way smaller than the goldfish, so so try to keep it very crisp. So you can complete the book like this.
Did you work on all the stories simultaneously or were you doing one after the other?
It was over a period of time, and some of them were written as part of a storython with some of my friends. So we used to challenge each other and give each other keywords and so on.
Which is also, I think, for our writer community, they should follow things like this.
Yes, I would say, that small little confidence we always worried about. Is it worth it? I would say show your stories to people and then see the magic.
And surround yourself with people who are also
Exactly.
Right. What is one piece of advice you would give to our budding community of writers?
I would say keep writing and push yourself to write. That's the basic. Second is keep yourself inspired and curious. As in the world is full of stories and we just need to listen in. That's all.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. I hope
Thank
you
you
have
so
a
much
wonderful
having
book
me
there.
here.
Thank you.